In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a fantastic web-based platform that allows you to create stunning diagrams and flowcharts with ease. If you're aiming to increase your productivity by visualizing processes or organizing your thoughts, Lucidchart is a great tool to consider. Don't worry if you've never used it before. I'll guide you through each step to get you started without any trouble. First, we need to visit the Lucidchart website. Since Lucidchart is an online platform, you won't need to download or install anything to your computer. You can easily access it through your favorite web browser. Simply open your browser and type in Lucidchart or go directly to their official landing page. Once you're there, you're just a few clicks away from diving into their powerful suite of tools. Now, to start using Lucidchart, you'll need to create an account. Here you'll find multiple options to sign up, including using your Google, Slack, or Microsoft account. Since we're going to use a Google account for this guide, you'll want to click on the option labeled Google. This is a time-saving way to link your account, and it also helps streamline the sign-in process for future use. If you prefer using Slack or Microsoft, feel free to use those. The steps are fairly similar across these platforms. When you click to sign in with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to associate with Lucidchart. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you pick the one you intend to use regularly with Lucidchart. It's always best to ensure you're choosing the most suitable account that you use for professional or personal projects, whichever fits your needs with Lucidchart tools. After selecting your account, you may see a few prompts where you'll need to grant permissions to Lucidchart to access basic information tied to your Google account. This is standard when linking accounts with external applications. Just click on Continue to confirm that you're authorizing this link. It's important to know that major platforms like Google closely monitor these connections to ensure your data remains secure and your privacy is respected. Once all this is set, you're ready to start working in Lucidchart. From here, you can begin creating projects, open existing ones, or explore the various templates and features the platform offers. If you're new to diagramming, there are plenty of instructional guides and starter templates to help you get moving in the right direction. And there you have it. You're now inside Lucidchart and ready to harness its full potential. We hope this guide was straightforward and that you enjoy exploring everything Lucidchart has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Happy charting!